Hi, welcome back to Foodie Friday at the Balk Springs Library. I'm Miss Teresa. This is where we make easy recipes for teens, adults, or your whole family. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay, so we're going to get started on making our pumpkin spice cookies. You start off with a box of spice cake. Any brand will do. You need a can of pumpkin that is 100% pure pumpkin. You do not want the pumpkin pie can, okay? And you'll need a bag of morsels. I got the semi-sweet. It's whatever you like. If you like the mini, get the mini. If you like the milk chocolate, you can get the milk chocolate. This particular cookie is a very dense cookie. So if you don't want it as dense, you will need to add an egg. But the way we're going to make it, it comes out like a muffin top. So it's perfect for fall and with your morning coffee or cocoa, whatever you want. So dump the bag in, easy peasy. And while this is mixing, we do have our oven preheating at 350, okay? We're just going to dump the pumpkin in. Now, I got this recipe from Recipe Critics. The lady's name is Alyssa. I forgot the name. Hang on. Alyssa Rivers. And it's just an easy, quick recipe. 3 ingredients. Super simple. So we're just going to mix in the pumpkin and the mix. And if you have a beater, that would be great. I don't. Not up here, so we are using a spoon. But October is, to me, is always the start of fall. I know officially it starts in September, but I always think football, fall, and October and Halloween. So it's just a great time for these cookies. There you go. Now we're going to add the chocolate chips because I particularly love chocolate and pumpkin. And I don't add the whole bag at once. I add some, mix, and then I'll go back and add some more. Add some more. Because that's my trash. Alright, so now I have a little, that's a tablespoon, and I'm just going to scrape my mixing spoon down. Scrape all of it out of it, at least as much as I can. Alright, set that over there. So now I have my baking sheet. I do have parchment paper in there, and I'm just going to get a scoop and just plop it on. Well, I said plop it on. And like I said, these are going to be very dense cookies. They're going to be like little muffin tops. So just keep that in mind, okay? If you want it a little bit lighter, then you can add an egg to your batter. Make sure you wash your hands before you start. And sometimes it does need a little nudging to get out. Let's add a little bit more to this one. Okay. And these will bake at 350 for about 13 to 15 minutes, okay? Alright guys, that is our cookies fresh out of the oven. We did let them set for about 5 minutes before we moved them. You need to let them cool on a cooling rack. But that is how they come out. Like I said, they are a very dense cookie. If you want to make them a little lighter, just add an egg. But until next time, thanks. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Foodie Friday. I hope you had fun making the recipe. Remember to like, follow, share. We love seeing your creations. Also, if you're a local restaurant in the Box Springs Mesquite area and like to be featured on one of our programs, please contact the Box Springs Library. We'd love to have you as a featured guest. And until next time, bon appetit.